What if you could turn just an idea into a full website in minutes? No coding, just one prompt. In this video, we are using WordPress.com AI to build a complete portfolio site from scratch. A portfolio helps you land clients, showcase your work, and grow your personal brand. And with WordPress.com, you get a powerful, reliable platform that makes everything simple. Let's see how far this can really go. We're here in WordPress.com website. Now we are going to access the AI website builder. For that, we are going to hover mouse over products and click on AI website builder. And here we can add in our prompt. We can create our WordPress.com website just by chatting with the AI. As you can see, it's suggesting some prompts such as create a bakery site, design a portfolio, launch a nonprofit site, and so much more. You can choose from one of these, but we are going to add a prompt of our own. So here is our prompt. Create a modern personal portfolio website for a digital marketer named John Doe. Include sections for services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact. Keep the design clean, beautiful, professional, and conversion focused. So once you're ready with your prompt, you can simply click on this button. So as you can see, it's asking us to create an account first or log in if we have an account. So if you want to create an account, you can continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or email. But since we already have an account, we are going to log in. Now, as soon as we log in, it's going to start working on our prompt. Now, it's asking us a few things. What site title should appear in the browser tab and search results? This helps branding and SEO. So you can either pick this one, John Doe, or you can pick this one, John Doe Pipe Digital Marketer, John Doe Marketing, or if you want to choose something else, you can tell the AI. We're just going to simply choose John Doe and click over here. Then it's going to ask what short site description tagline should appear in search results and social previews. This is going to help people quickly understand what you offer. So our options are digital marketer, helping brands grow with SEO, PPC, and content, conversion-focused marketing strategy and execution for modern businesses, freelance digital marketing services, paid ads, email, SEO, or we can write our own tagline. So if you want to write your own tagline, you can go ahead and add it, or you can choose from one of the given options. We're going to choose the second one. We're going to simply write 2, which indicates this option, and then we're going to click over here. And then it's going to give us a preview. Thanks, here are the details we'll use to build your site. So the title will be John Doe, this will be tagline, and finally, this is for digital marketing. Now, if we want to make some updates, we can choose No, Update Details, or simply click on Create My Site button over here. We're going to click over here and wait for our site to be created. So the AI is working and creating our site now. Alright, as you can see, it created our website and it didn't even take a minute. So this is the website that it created. We have the John Doe title over here. This is the site title. This is the navigation menu with services, portfolio, testimonials, contact, basically what we requested. And here's a work together button. Again, we can see the title over here and some text over here. And if we scroll down, we can see the services section. There's a view services to view all the services in one section. If we scroll down, here is the About section, the testimonials, insights, and a location. Now, if we scroll up, we can also make some changes from here as well. We can basically chat with the AI and make our changes from here, or we can simply enter the edit mode and change it ourselves. Let's actually close this up and click over here. Now, as you can see, you can make your changes over here. Now, if you worked with WordPress, you know how you can make your changes. You can simply type whatever you want and make the changes from here. So if we expand the styles tab, you can change the typography, the color, backgrounds. You can change everything from here. But if you want the help of the AI, you can simply click on this open chat, and this will help you customize your website. So let's say we want more color palette options for our site. In that case, what we can do is click on Customize Color, or we can write something over here. So let's go ahead and write something. And if we click on this arrow now, and it's working, Now, as you can see, it gave us a few color options. So this is the first one. Now, if we click on this second one, it's going to change the color itself. And here's another option. Okay, so we can choose whichever we like. If you don't like these color palettes, you can ask the AI to give some more color palettes and choose something that you would like. But we're going to stick with the original one. And in the same way, if you want more fonts, you can ask the AI to give you some font options. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is our prompt. Now we're going to click on this button. And just like the color, it gave us a few options for our fonts. So we can choose this one, or this is the Manrope and Poppins. If we click on this, you can see it changed the fonts. You can also click on these arrows to browse through some more font options. But we're fine with this one, so we're going to select it. Now, in this way, you can add different prompts and customize your site with the help of the AI. Now, once you are ready and you like what the AI has built for you, simply close this up and click on this Save button to save your website. So this will save the site design settings, hero header, custom styles, and the following pages. We are going to click on this Save button to save this site. So now our site has been updated and the page has been updated as well. So if we view our site, you can see how it looks like. Now let's say we still want to make some edits. In that case, what we can do is simply click on Edit Page over here. Now let's say we want to customize a few things. For example, this text. So if we want to change this text, we can do it ourselves, or we can use the help of the AI. Let's see how you can use AI to customize this text. Having this selected, we are going to click on this Open Chat button, and it's going to give us a few options, either translate content, change the tone, check the grammar, but we want a more conversion-focused text. Let's ask it to change this into a more conversion-focused text. We're going to simply say, change this into a more conversion-focused text. We're going to click on this button and wait for the result. And it's already making the changes over here. And here it is. You can see it changed the text in a few seconds. In this way, you can make the changes quite easily. Now, what else can you do? If we scroll down and look at this image, let's say we want to replace this and we're going to use the AI. What we're simply going to do is click on this Edit with AI button. It's going to open up the editor, and you can use prompts like draw annotation, enhance image, brighten image, or other prompts to edit this image. You can also choose how you want to display your image. You can choose a vivid, anime, photographic, digital art, and other styles. But we're going to say, let's brighten this image. Now it typed the prompt for us. It's saying increase the overall brightness of this image while keeping it natural. So we're going to click on this button. As you can see that the brightness has increased. If we take a look at the previous version, it was a bit dark, but this is a bit more brighter. You can continue editing this image if you want, but if you like what you see, you can simply click on Save and Apply. So the image has been saved to the media library. We're going to close it up, and we can use this image if we like. You can also open up the AI assistant from here and make the image from here. You can generate a new image if you want. It's all up to you. So you can make all the changes you want using the AI. Now let's also replace this image with AI. So we're simply going to click on Edit with AI and then add in our prompt. So we are simply going to say, generate another image with digital marketing theme. And we can use a photographic perspective. And now let's click on this button and see what the results are. Now, as you can see, it generated another image with a monitor screen with analytics over here. Now, if we want to use it, we can simply click on Save and Apply. And if we close up this section, we can see the image has been replaced. So in this way, you can create new images with the help of the AI just like that. So once you are ready and you want to launch your website, what you can do is simply click on this Launch button. Right after you click on the launch button, it's going to show you this message. Here it tells you that in order to launch your site, you have to choose a plan to go live and share your website. You can edit anytime. So this will become public and shareable instantly. You will have a free domain for 1 year, unlimited AI edits. You can install plugins. You can also get expert customer support. So in order to launch your website or make it live, you need to choose a plan. So if we click on this choose a plan button, WordPress.com is going to refer some plans to you. So it has personal, premium, and business plan. You can choose the plan which is more suitable for you. So if we click on Get Business Plan, it's going to ask us to get a free domain. So this is the domain that it gave us, but you can choose a much more personalized domain. So search for the domain which is best for you and click on Add to Cart. But if you don't have any plans for domains right now, you can simply skip purchase and you can go through the checkout process and get hosting from WordPress.com. So how does your WordPress website look like when it's launched? Let's go ahead and see. So as you can see, the website is looking really good. We have this new image, this section, this brightened up image that we edited. Great, everything is looking nice. It also created separate pages for services, portfolio, testimonial, and contact. Let's visit the contact page. Okay, so this is the contact page. It also has a contact form, so you can customize these as you wish. Now, if you want to add blog posts, add more pages, add more plugins or themes, basically manage your WordPress website, you can do that from the WordPress admin dashboard. To go to the WordPress admin dashboard, simply hover your mouse over here and then click on Dashboard. This will lead you to the WordPress admin dashboard, and this is where you can manage your entire website from. You can take a look at the stats from here. WordPress.com actually gives you Jetpack stats, so you can see your daily views, visitors, likes, comments, etc. You can also access the AI editor from here. As you can see, it leads us directly back to our site. And you can also add more themes from here. If you go to the appearance and click on themes, this is where you can access all your themes from. If you want to add more plugins, just simply go to the plugin section, and this is where you will be able to add all your plugins from. Now, in case you need help in anything, just simply click on this question mark over here. You can see it says the Help Center. You can click over here. Help is available to you 24/7, so you can get help anytime you need. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. We highly encourage you to check out the WordPress.com AI website builder yourself and share your experience in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.